What if I told you that the future is arriving faster than we ever imagined? From mind-bending concepts like invisibility to the evolution of technologies like blockchain, AI agents, and edge computing, humanity is on the brink of a technological revolution. These aren't just sci-fi dreams, they are technologies being developed today that will shape our lives tomorrow. Ready to dive into the future? Let's explore the top upcoming technologies you need to know about. Welcome to AI Finds, where we bring you the latest updates on groundbreaking tech shaping our world. Today, we're diving into 8 futuristic technologies, their current development status, and how they'll impact our lives in the next decade. Let's jump right in from artificial general intelligence, AGI that matches or surpasses human intelligence, is a dream that researchers are steadily pursuing. What's happening now in the field of AGI and how will it change our future? These are the questions that many people are asking. OpenAI, DeepMind, and Google's Gemini are leading AGI research. AGI is expected to think, reason, and learn like humans. Elon Musk's company xAI is also delving into creating safe AGI. Artificial general intelligence is no longer a distant dream. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, hinted during a podcast that AGI could emerge as early as 2025, marking a pivotal moment in technological history. Unlike narrow AI systems, AGI will possess the ability to reason, learn, and solve complex problems across various domains without being explicitly trained for each task. AGI has the potential to revolutionize industries by automating complex jobs, accelerating scientific research, and solving global challenges like climate change and healthcare inequities. For example, AGI could design new vaccines or optimize energy systems on a scale far beyond human capability. According to McKinsey, advancements in AI could add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030, and AGI will likely amplify this growth exponentially. While its arrival presents ethical and regulatory challenges, AGI is poised to redefine human progress. Cloud computing has become the backbone of modern technology, revolutionizing how businesses and individuals store, process, and access data. It offers scalable, cost-effective solutions for managing vast amounts of information, enabling innovation across industries. What's new in cloud computing? Hybrid and multi-cloud environments are emerging as game changers, offering flexibility to use multiple cloud providers simultaneously. This approach enhances efficiency, security, and cost optimization. Edge computing integrated with the cloud is gaining momentum, enabling real-time data processing closer to the source. AI-powered cloud services are also on the rise, with providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud integrating machine learning capabilities for predictive analytics, automation, and advanced insights. Market projections show explosive growth. The global cloud computing market is expected to reach $1.24 trillion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 14.1%. The demand is driven by the rise of remote work, digital transformation, and the proliferation of Internet of Things devices. Why does it matter? Cloud computing fosters innovation by reducing infrastructure costs, enabling startups and enterprises to focus on developing new products and services. It supports global collaboration through seamless data sharing and remote work capabilities. Additionally, it powers transformative technologies like AI, IoT, and big data, making it essential for modern businesses. Cloud computing is not just a tool, it's the foundation for the future of digital transformation. Invisibility technology, once confined to science fiction, is closer than ever to becoming a reality. Researchers are developing metamaterials that bend light around objects, effectively rendering them invisible. The University of Rochester has already created a prototype cloaking device, while companies like Hyper-Stealth Biotechnology are working on quantum stealth material for military use. When is it coming? While still in experimental stages, practical invisibility solutions could be available by 2030, particularly in defense and privacy-focused industries. How will it change our future? This technology could revolutionize multiple sectors. Militaries could use invisible vehicles and drones for stealth operations, while architects might design buildings that blend seamlessly with natural landscapes. On a personal level, invisibility clothing could enhance privacy and security. According to Fortune Business Insights, the global stealth technology market, including invisibility advancements, is projected to grow to $25 billion by 2030, signaling its disruptive potential. Cloud computing is not just a tool, it's the foundation for the future of digital transformation. Edge computing is redefining how we process data by bringing computation closer to the source, your devices. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are investing billions into edge computing to reduce latency and improve real-time decision-making. According to a recent Gartner report, 75% of enterprise-generated data will be created and processed outside centralized data centers by 2025. Why does it matter? In industries like healthcare, edge computing is powering remote patient monitoring devices. In autonomous vehicles, it ensures split-second decisions for safer rides. Expect smarter IoT devices, faster 5G networks, and an explosion of AI-driven applications, all enabled by edge computing. Blockchain has evolved beyond cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Industries like finance, healthcare, and even voting systems are leveraging blockchain for its transparency and security. For example, Estonia has implemented blockchain to secure its digital identity system for citizens. The global blockchain market is projected to grow to $1.59 trillion by 2030, with annual growth rates of over 85%. Blockchain ensures secure transactions, combats fraud, and even powers decentralized finance, which is disrupting traditional banking. AR and VR are set to redefine how we interact with the world. Companies like Meta and Apple are racing to create immersive experiences. Apple's Vision Pro, launched in 2024, blends AR and VR, offering users a revolutionary way to interact with their surroundings. What's the difference? AR enhances the real world with digital overlays, think Pokemon Go, while VR creates entirely virtual environments. The combined AR/VR market is expected to reach $451.5 billion by 2030, driven by gaming, education, and remote work applications. AR could enhance navigation or shopping experiences, while VR could revolutionize industries like real estate and entertainment. From edge computing to invisibility and AGI, the technologies shaping our future are as fascinating as they are transformative. Whether it's revolutionizing how we work with AI agents or creating more immersive experiences with AR/VR, these advancements will redefine industries, economies, and daily life. The only question is, how ready are we to embrace this future? Let us know in the comments which technology you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Finds for more insights into the tech shaping tomorrow.